Welcome to the first lesson in Module 12. The Module 12 is on logical arguments and line relationships. Lesson 1 is conjectures and counterexamples. The learning objectives of this lesson are: write and analyze conjecture by using inductive reasoning, disprove conjectures by using counterexamples. In the series of these videos, in the coming videos, we will use plenty of examples and checking problems to understand these both objectives thoroughly. The keywords for this lesson are inductive reasoning, conjecture, and counterexample. Before we get into the lesson, before we start solving example problem, here is a simple question. You can see there is a pattern. First, second, and the fourth and fifth figures are given. What would be the middle figure? These are your options. Think for a while and try to solve. You can pause the video now, think, and then solve. I hope you pause the video because now I will solve this over here. Let's look at this. There's some sort of pattern over here. You can see there's a design over here, and over here. There are dots. Let's start counting the dots. Over here there is 1, 2, 3 dots. Okay, that's 3. And over here there are 4 dots. We don't know what's over here. There is 6 dots over here. Then 4 plus 3, it'll be 7. So with your basic logic, what would be the number of dots in the middle? It's a continuity. After 4, what is the number of dots? It'll be 5. So this is one way to interpret. Now let's see the options. Now over here we have 3 and 3, 6. So this is wrong. Here there is 5. Here there is 5. Here there is 6. So this is wrong. And here there is 5. So by our basic logic or reasoning, we have eliminated 2 options. We are remaining with still 3 options. So what do you think would be next? So now let us try and analyze over here. Here, these dots are to the right and to the left. I mean, it's like a diagonal from right to left. Whereas over here, it's a diagonal from left to right. I don't know what's over here, but over here it's left to right, or over here right to left. So our inductive reasoning or basic reasoning would give you the answer. Okay, this is right to left, left to right. This again would be right to left, left to right, and so on. So let us see which all would give us that reasoning over here, over here. So this would be wrong. So B or E would be the answers. But which is the correct answer now? Because we have 2 over here. So now let's see the shading part. So this B and E. So let me just remember this or this can be the answer. Here we have straight lines, whereas over here there are slanted lines. Let's check this lines over here. There are slanted lines over here, straight lines. I don't know what's over here, but again over here there are straight lines, here there are slanted. So, you know, we will be we would guess over here it would be slant as well. So now look at the options. This is straight. Okay, so this cannot be the answer. This is your correct answer. So with all these logical reasoning, you could come to the conclusion that E would be the most appropriate answer for this pattern. So in the coming videos, we will start solving the example problems on this lesson, and we will learn about inductive reasoning, conjectures, and counter examples thoroughly.